Welcome to Profiting Forex Trading. Glad to come your way again. If you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, kindly make sure you do so. Today I would like to show you how to test indicators to know either it recalculates or repaint. So I will show you how to do that right away. Alright. The first thing that you need to do after you've pasted your indicator on indicator in indicator folder, you have to come to strategy tester. I know you can see my cursor, strategy tester, beside new order. Just click on it, and here we have the window right now, the strategy tester window. Then we have two things to do here, like an expert advisor. If it is here you want to test how accurate or profitable it is, then you select expert advisor. But now we want to deal with indicator. We want to deal with indicator. And so once you selected this indicator window, then look for the indicator you want to use. These are the list of your indicators, so pick any one that you want to use. But now I want to test this indicator called JSSO indicator. So you can test it on any time frame you want and on any pair. But I'm going to leave it on the Australia Euro Australia dollar, or you can pick any pairs at all, or let me use it on gold. Any pair, just pick any one. Then the time frame you want to test it, you can test it on any time frame. So I would like to test it on 1 minute time frame, or 5, or any time frame you want. I just want to see, what I want to check is to see if the indicator repaint or not the accuracy. What I want to check is either if it repaints or not. So if you want to check the indicator parameter, you can come to this place and change it. But this is the value for this particular indicator, and if you want to change it, you can do the same thing here. Just the value here, the value, just change the value, the 14.5 0.618. so once you are done, if you want to change anything, then click OK. So the spread, we send it to current. All this one does not concern us, because we are after if the indicator repaints or not. So once you set that and you pick the pairs you want, then model, therefore because you want it to be fast, pick the last one, open price only. And this fastest method to analyze the bar just completed only for years that explicit control bar opening. So select the last one, we want it to be fast, so you can just select that. Or let me practice with the other one so that you see the difference. Once you pick any one you want to, you can pick the date or just leave it the way it is, since we are not after any other thing than either the indicator repaint or not. So once you've done that, you can see my cursor, just click on start, and it will open up on another window, and you will be able to see this if it repaints or not. So I want it to be fast. So under this visual mode, make sure if you want it to be fast, you can increase it from here. You see right now, that's the maximum, and that's why you see it's very fast. But if you don't want that, you can reduce it. This is 30, but I want it to be fast. This is 31, so that you'll be able to see, and this is 32. You find out that this indicator does not repaint. It does not repaint. Once it changes color, it remains at that particular point. So let us pause it, because that's what we want to confirm, either it repaint or not. So since we've established that, let me check another indicator also. Now let us try another indicator again to see if it repaints or not, and I'm going to use another indicator that uses arrow for buy and sell. So you can select any time frame you want, and once you are done, just the same way we did with the previous indicator, just click on start and allow this to load. It's going to collect the data. And here we have a trainer, so you can reduce the speed if you want to see it clearly. From the look of things, you can see that this indicator does not repaint. As you can see, you can demarcate it to know if it's going to change or not, but this indicator does not repaint. So let's play it again. See the next candle, here is it, we have this one. So this indicator also does not repaint. This is how to test if indicator repaints or not. If it repaints, you are going to see it, and if it does not repaint, you are going to know. So there's no need for you to test it on live or demo account before you know either indicator repaints or not. So this is how to use strategy tester to test indicators. So it is simple, and make sure you always use it, because a lot of people want to use an indicator that does not repaint, and I've said it severally. The fact that the indicator does not repaint does not make it 100% accurate. So just make sure you know what you are doing, and this is just how to test indicators. So this is how to test different indicators. So make sure you test. If you are looking for indicator that does not repaint, make sure you use a strategy tester to check it out. Till I come your way again, I remain your fellow trader Joe, and bye for now.